If you dey look me so on top your television, no say that time don't reach. Where Health Corner, they knock for your domot. With me, myself, and I, the one and only Dr. Adora. And the matter where they ground this week, not be small something, no. Men and the, no, in fact, I'm not talking where. Women and the men will love them. And be make una open your ear well, because all this one, it concern you. And the matter na douching. Yes, now waiting Oyibo they call out. Before I go into the thing where just hear the statistics. Then talk say 20% to 40% of women between the ages of 15 and 44 that they use vaginal douche. Waiting be vaginal douche, I they come. They talk say higher rates they don't see them for inside teenage people and even African American women. Apart from the fact say then they talk say it make them feel fresher. Women say them they douche to get rid of unpleasant odors, to wash away blood where they come up from menses after their period, then to avoid to they get sexual transmitted diseases and prevent pregnancy after intercourse. All this one they work and never know, you go know soon. Yet, health experts they don't talk say this douching, they effective for any of these purposes. Then they also want say if it actually increase the risk of infection, if it increase the risk of pregnancy and the complications where they follow them, and other health problems. So therefore, wetin be douching? The word douche na French word for wash or soak. Now wetin mean? And now one method where they use to wash out the vagina of woman, usually with a mixture of water and vinegar. Now wetin that they put inside to take wash woman vagina. These douches that they sell them inside drugstores, supermarkets, wey contain antiseptics and fragrances, all these perfume things. Then a douche, they say they come inside a bottle or bag and then they spray them through a tube upward into a woman's vagina. Now don't hear wetin this douching be. So some people say it gets advantages. Wetin be the advantages when they talk say it gets? Some women say this douching, they make them feel cleaner. There is, however, very little scientific evidence of any benefits from douching. The rare positive research where they don't do, they even show say the thing gets more disadvantages past any nonsense advantage. One study discovered say if you dey douche during 6 months before pregnancy, they reduce the risk of may you quick born your pikin, to go born premature pikin. However, for that same study where they do, sabi people, they say douching during pregnancy, it linked to an increased risk of that same premature baby something. So which one we supposed to take now? The advantages of this douching. Overall, the risk of the douching, like we don't talk, say it far outweigh any so-called benefits where they talk saying get. Just get into open your ear where we make I tell you some of the risk. Here, just a few problems now I want give you now, but plenty still there. One of them now vaginal infections, aka bacterial vaginosis, aka sweetie for some people. This douching, what thing they do be say it is cut and balance the natural balance of the bacteria when they inside vagina. They call this one the vaginal flora. You see, as woman vagina be, it gets some kind, natural bacteria where they there, where they know they cause any kasala, their own work nato for the favorable growth, of that area. So these changes, they make the environment today more favorable for the growth of bacteria where they cause infection. Some studies they don't show say women will stop to the douche, then they less likely to get this bacterial vaginosis or infection where we they talk. And when person gets this bacterial vaginosis, if it increase the risk of premature labor plus endometriosis, what I don't discuss with you before. On top of all these ones, now waiting woman they suffer. Another one now pelvic inflammatory disease. This one now infection of the uterus, that now the womb, the fallopian tubes and the ovaries. If you want to hear more on top this matter, I beg, not try yourself. Tune in same time tomorrow. Make I give you the remaining part of the gist. My name is Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show. I go see you tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.